The Big Crunch. This is another theory about the future of universe. Now let's understand the theory. We all know that the universe is expanding at an exponentially increasing speed. But this expansion might not continue forever. After about trillions of years, the average density of the universe might be so high that the gravitational attraction would reverse the process of expansion. The universe would start to contract. Galaxies would move towards each other and merge into one large galaxy. Black holes would merge to form a single big black hole. Due to this continuous contraction, all matter in the universe would collapse into a black hole. This phenomena is called the Big Crunch. According to this theory, a Big Bang would occur immediately after the Big Crunch. This continuous cycle of expanding and collapsing of the universe is called the Big Bounce. Presented by Tanish Tandon of St. Mark's Senior Secondary Public School, Janakpuri, New Delhi, India. Thank you.